Africans. African. When your enemies are at war, don't join them. Europe is fighting Europe. America is fighting Europe. Europe is fighting China. China is fighting Arabs. Arabs are fighting America. America is fighting Russians. Africa is out of the picture. Stay away from war. My advice for Africa today, start planting food. Start planting food. Start planting food. When they finish war, they will all be hungry. You will reinstate yourself as the breadbasket of the world. Here's the proverb, like an old man. When your enemy wants to burn his father's house, please give him the matchstick.
Ah, okay.